girl habit. I am going to be showing you products today by my favorite company, Briogeo. They have no harmful ingredients and they're cruelty free. You can use my code, TheGirlHabit, to get 20% off. It's right in the description below, so check it out. They're also available at Sephora. My hair is a little damp right now because I'm going to be using Briogeo's Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Honey Mask. It's in this cute packaging. It's probably my favorite packaging ever. Deep conditioning mask is made with unpasteurized organic honey, so it really helps you restore moisture in your hair, really give back those luscious locks, and it even strengthens it. The mask contains rosehip oil, and that helps hydrate because it has so many essential fatty acids, which helps with controlling frizz and split ends. It really gives your locks back that lustrous feel. The mask also contains almond oil, which helps bring back shine. If you're having really dull, dry hair, this is what's gonna bring your hair back to life. The mask also contains vitamin B, so if you need to nourish your hair because it's chemically treated or it's just damaged from over time from the sun. I go in the sun and the ocean, so my hair gets damaged a lot. This will really nourish your hair and bring it back to life. Now I'm gonna brush through the mask just to make sure it really gets in there. I really love honey. Sometimes I just use honey as a regular mask by itself, but it's really messy and sticky. So it's so nice that Briogeo made this honey mask. Use the mask once every week or once every 2 weeks. Leave it in for 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes I go a little longer and I'll leave it up to 30 minutes. Briogeo partnered with Bees for Development, which is a non-profit organization that helps alleviate poverty by sustainable beekeeping, which is super cool. Bees are so important to the earth, and I love that they're doing this. I let the mask absorb now for 10 minutes, and now you are coming into the shower with me, and I'm gonna show you what shampoo and conditioner I use. What's nice about this hair mask is I can put my hands on my hair right now, and it doesn't feel sticky or anything, even though it's honey. It smells really good, which is one of my favorite parts about it. The mask is really light, but I can tell after I brush it in that my strands were able to really absorb it, and I can't wait to see the results. It is time to wash this mask out. I'm going to be using Briogeo's Rosargo Repair Shampoo. It has no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones. It's got rosehip oil, argan oil, coconut oil, and vitamin E, all to really help repair and nourish your hair. Shampoo won't strip your hair out of moisture. That's one of the biggest problems I find with shampoo. They always dry out my hair and I hate that. But this one, it restores moisture, it strengthens it, and I'm gonna show you how it works. So come on. So I'm going to start in my scalp and really massage it through. So you can see how it really foams up. Time for conditioning, what I think to be one of the most important parts before you style your hair. This is the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Smoothing Conditioner. It's really got some amazing ingredients. All the Farewell Frizz products have these ingredients. It's got the rosehip oil that helps hydrate and control frizz and split end. It also has coconut oil in it, and that helps penetrate the shaft to seal in moisture, which helps preventing breakage and also from excess heat. The argan oil inside provides excessive conditioning, which we all want that. This helps combat dryness and diminish frizz. How I condition my hair is I make sure that the hair is mostly damp, not completely wet, because I want the hair to really absorb the conditioner. And I really apply it generously throughout my hair. It smells so good. The reason I do this is because if the hair is wet, the conditioner just falls out. So the whole point is the hair can really lock it in and it's not just washing out immediately. I also like to leave in conditioner for probably about a good 5 minutes. So I take time brushing it. Maybe if you have some tangles, this will help you get your tangles out a little bit easier with this nice moisturizing conditioner. Now it's time to wash it out. Wow, so my hair already feels so soft from the deep conditioning mask and the shampoo and conditioner. Let's go back to my room and start styling. I am going to start with Briogeo's Be Well cold pressed 100% organic castor oil. If you're looking to nourish your brows or lashes, your hair or skin, this castor oil is naturally cold pressed in India, meaning all of the highest nutrients and minerals that were found in the original seed are all here, right in this bottle. I'm gonna use the Farewell Frizz Smoothing Conditioner again as a little bit of a leave-in. I love doing this. And I'm gonna put, not a lot, but just a good amount. I have a lot of hair. Then I'm gonna combine it with Briogeo's castor oil. This is a great combination. Castor oil is rich in humectants, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids. This nourishes the hair follicles, so it really encourages healthy growth. I am using a diffuser today to style my hair, and Briogeo's Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream is really going to come in handy. It is part of the Farewell Frizz collection, so it's got the argan oil, the rosehip oil, coconut oil, vitamin E, all the good stuff to really nourish and moisturize hair. It helps with frizz, especially the frizz that I get from a blow dryer. I do diffuse, so I'm going to show you how I use that, but this is something really helpful when styling your hair. So if your hair is dry or frizzy, I really recommend this. It's super lightweight, it's not really heavy, so you don't have to worry about your hair really being weighed down by product. I apply this generously throughout my hair. It's not one of those products that'll make your hair sticky. It really nourishes it. I can already feel how it's softening it and moisturizing it. It's very lightweight, and I can already tell it adds a little bounce to my hair, which is really nice. I think this is a great complement to the deep conditioning mask and the shampoo and conditioner that I used. I feel like this is called Blow Dry Perfection for a reason, because you're gonna see the results and it just really creates some frizz-free, beautiful locks. The castor oil is definitely a bonus. And what's nice about the castor oil is it has so many multi-uses. So you can use it for your hair, for your skin, your eyebrows, your eyelashes. It's one of those kind of have-to-have products because it does so many things. I'm gonna twist the hair very loosely. Then I'm gonna wind it through my blow dryer. I'm gonna turn it on low. My hair feels so soft. I'm really excited to show you what this is gonna look like. Briogeo really has amazing ingredients, and they have no harsh chemicals inside their products, so it really makes a difference when it comes to your hair health and styling and the long-term effects. little more of the Be Well castor oil just to catch any of the little extra frizzies, and also it's a great product to have in your hand while you scrunch your hair. The deep conditioning honey mask has really brought my hair back to life. So don't forget to use my code, TheGirlHabit, for 20% off at Briogeo. My hair feels so good. I feel like Briogeo has really restored the shine in my hair. It's also not as dry and brittle as it felt. I feel like my hair is really soft and moisturized, which is one of the best feelings. This is all the result of the Briogeo products I use today. Thanks for watching. This is